Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to search for a specific message in a chat on WhatsApp using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. You can do this by locating the WhatsApp icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Applications folder. Step 2. Go to the desired chat. Find the chat in which you want to search for a specific message and click on it to open the conversation. Step 3. Press on the search icon. At the top right corner of your chat window, you'll see a magnifying glass icon. Click on it to open the search bar. Step 4. Type in the message you want to view. In the search bar, type in the specific message you're looking for. WhatsApp will instantly start searching within the chat for any matches. And there you have it. You've successfully searched for a specific message in a chat on WhatsApp using your PC. Searching for specific messages can be incredibly useful, especially when you're trying to find important information or references within a lengthy conversation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.